Dollar Tree has some seriously useful home finds hiding on its shelves right now. From smart kitchen organizers and cleaning essentials to beauty, storage, and everyday products, we're counting down 12 worth buying for just $1.25, plus 4 items you may want to skip. Clear, rotating kitchen turntable. Keeping your kitchen organized becomes much easier when everything is visible and within reach. And the clear rotating kitchen turntable is a simple find that can make a big difference. The rotating design lets you turn the organizer instead of reaching behind several bottles or moving everything around. Similar clear rotating organizers can often sell for $8 to $18 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. You can use it for spices, sauces, snacks, pantry items, beauty products, or even cleaning supplies. The clear design also makes it easier to see exactly what you have stored. It's especially useful in smaller kitchens, where cabinet and counter space can become crowded quickly. You could even use multiple turntables to create separate storage zones. If you spot the clear rotating kitchen turntable for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Ceramic fragrance warmer. If you enjoy making your home smell fresh and inviting, the ceramic fragrance warmer is an interesting Dollar Tree home find. It can add a decorative touch to a bedroom, living room, bathroom, or entryway, while providing a way to enjoy your favorite fragrance products. Similar ceramic fragrance warmers can often sell for $8 to $20 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The ceramic design can also look more decorative than basic fragrance accessories, allowing it to blend into your home decor. Before using any warmer, always read the instructions carefully and follow the manufacturer's safety recommendations. Keep heated products away from children, pets, and flammable materials. For shoppers who already enjoy home fragrance, this could be an inexpensive addition to your collection. If you spot the ceramic fragrance warmer for $1.25, grab one before it's gone tough. Hands-free neck fan hot days can be much more comfortable when you have a little extra airflow, and the hands-free neck fan is designed to make cooling convenient without requiring you to hold a traditional fan. The wearable design leaves your hands free while you're working, cooking, cleaning, walking, or relaxing. Similar hands-free neck fans can often sell for $10 to $25 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Its compact design can also make it easier to take along for outdoor activities, travel, or summer events. Before purchasing, check the package for power requirements, charging information, and operating instructions. You'll also want to make sure the fit is comfortable for you. For anyone who struggles with hot weather or simply enjoys having portable airflow, this is a practical product worth checking. If you spot the hands-free neck fan for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Over-the-door utility organizer. If your home is short on storage space, the over-the-door utility organizer could be a surprisingly useful solution. Instead of taking up valuable floor or counter space, an over-the-door organizer lets you turn unused vertical space into additional storage. Similar over-the-door organizers can often sell for $10 to $25 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. You can use one for cleaning supplies, bathroom products, accessories, pantry items, craft supplies, or other lightweight household essentials. It can be especially useful in apartments, dorm rooms, small bathrooms, or closets, where every inch of storage matters. Before installing it, check the product's weight recommendations and make sure your door can accommodate the organizer properly. For such a simple storage idea, it can make a noticeable difference in a crowded space. If you spot the over-the-door utility organizer for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Cooking Concepts potato masher and can opener. Every kitchen needs a few basic tools, and the Cooking Concepts potato masher and can opener gives you 2 practical functions in one Dollar Tree find. A potato masher can come in handy for mashed potatoes, vegetables, and other soft foods, while a manual can opener is useful for everyday pantry items. Similar basic kitchen tools can often sell for $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Having these tools available can also be helpful for a starter kitchen, dorm room, apartment, or as inexpensive replacements for worn-out utensils. Before purchasing, check the construction and make sure the handles feel comfortable and sturdy enough for your needs. It's the kind of basic kitchen product that may not look exciting, but you can end up reaching for it regularly. If you spot the Cooking Concepts potato masher and can opener for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Food storage container with built-in strainer meal prep and leftover storage become more convenient when one container can handle multiple tasks. The food storage container with built-in strainer is an interesting kitchen find because the built-in strainer can make draining or rinsing certain foods easier without requiring a separate colander. Similar food storage containers with built-in straining features can often sell for $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. It can be useful for storing fruit, vegetables, leftovers, or prepared foods while keeping your refrigerator more organized. Before using it, check the package for information about microwave, dishwasher, and temperature compatibility. Not every plastic container is designed for every type of food preparation. For shoppers who like practical kitchen organization, this is definitely worth checking out. If you spot the food storage container with built-in strainer for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Clear glass tumblers, simple drinkware can be surprisingly expensive when you're buying a complete set, which makes clear glass tumblers an interesting Dollar Tree home find. Their simple appearance makes them easy to use for everyday drinks, family meals, entertaining, or even serving desserts. Similar clear glass tumblers can often sell for $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Their transparent design also works with almost any kitchen decor, whether your style is modern, traditional, or minimalist. They can be useful for water, iced tea, lemonade, juice, or other cold beverages. You can also pick up several if you need additional glasses for guests. Just remember that glass can break, so handle and store these carefully. If you spot the clear glass tumblers for $1.25, grab the number you need before they're gone. Cooking Concepts Bamboo Utensils. If you're refreshing your kitchen tools, the Cooking Concepts bamboo utensils are worth checking out. Bamboo utensils can be useful for everyday cooking, including stirring, mixing, serving, and preparing meals. Their natural appearance can also add a warmer look to your kitchen utensil collection. Similar bamboo kitchen utensils can often sell for $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.255 price an incredible bargain. They're also lightweight and easy to keep in a utensil holder or kitchen drawer. Before using them, check the package for cleaning and care instructions, since bamboo utensils generally need different care than some plastic or metal tools. For someone setting up a new kitchen, replacing old utensils, or simply wanting a few extras, these can be an inexpensive addition. If you spot the Cooking Concepts bamboo utensils for $1.25, grab the pieces you need before they're gone. Lodge 5.5Q Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. The Lodge 5.5Q Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven is definitely one of the biggest standout products on this list. Lodge is a recognizable cookware brand, and an enameled cast iron Dutch oven can be useful for soups, stews, braising, baking, and other slow cooking recipes. Similar enameled cast iron Dutch ovens can cost well over $50 at major retailers, so if you find this product at a special Dollar Tree price, it could represent an exceptional deal. However, this is important. Do not assume this item is $1.25 just because it's in a Dollar Tree video. Check the actual shelf price and product label at your location. Its larger size also means you should consider storage space and weight before purchasing. If you actually find the Lodge 5.5Q Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven, check the price carefully and grab it if the deal works for you. Clorox foaming bathroom cleaning products are some of the easiest Dollar Tree finds to appreciate because they're used regularly around the house. The Clorox foaming bathroom cleaner is especially interesting because Clorox is a familiar household cleaning brand. Similar Clorox bathroom cleaning products can often sell for $4 to $8 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. A foaming bathroom cleaner can be useful for routine cleaning around appropriate bathroom surfaces, helping you keep sinks, tubs, showers, and other areas looking fresh. Always read the label before using any cleaning product and follow the manufacturer's directions. Never mix cleaning chemicals unless the label specifically says it is safe. For shoppers who regularly use bathroom cleaner, finding a recognizable brand at a low price can be worth checking out. If you spot Clorox foaming bathroom cleaner for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. MTO oil sprayer cooking becomes more convenient when you can control how much oil you use, and the MTO oil sprayer is a useful kitchen accessory for that purpose. An oil sprayer can be helpful when preparing salads, roasting vegetables, cooking meats, or lightly coating pans. Similar kitchen oil sprayers can often sell for $8 to $18 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Its compact design also makes it easy to keep near your cooking area instead of reaching for a large bottle every time. Before using it, check the package instructions for compatible oils, cleaning recommendations, and proper operation. Different sprayers can have different designs and requirements. For home cooks who want a little more control over oil application, this is a small gadget that can earn a regular spot in the kitchen. If you spot the MTO oil sprayer for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Silicone sink strainer. Small kitchen accessories can solve surprisingly annoying problems, and the silicone sink strainer is one of those practical finds. A sink strainer can help catch food particles and other debris before they travel farther into your drain. Similar silicone sink strainers can often sell for $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The flexible silicone design can also make it easier to remove and clean compared with some rigid drain accessories. It's a simple product, but having one in the kitchen can make everyday cleanup more convenient. It can also be useful as a replacement if your existing sink strainer is worn out or missing. Before buying, check that the size and shape are compatible with your sink drain. If you spot the silicone sink strainer for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Gnome Cosmetics and Skincare. The Gnome Cosmetics and Skincare section can be tempting because Dollar Tree makes it easy to experiment with inexpensive beauty products. However, this is one category where shoppers should slow down and check the details before buying. Similar beauty products can range from $5 to $15 or more at major retailers, but a low price doesn't automatically mean a product is right for your skin. Check the ingredients, expiration, or period after opening information when provided, packaging condition, and intended use before purchasing. If you have sensitive skin or known allergies, you may want to be particularly careful when trying unfamiliar cosmetics or skincare products. There's also little reason to stock up on products you're unlikely to use. Unless you've checked the ingredients and know the product works for you, I'd skip this one rather than buying it simply because it's 1.25 cents. The Mean Soul Mine a File aluminum foil is definitely useful around the kitchen, but thin aluminum foil is one product where the cheapest option may not always provide the best value. If the foil tears easily, you may end up using more than you normally would for the same cooking or storage task. Comparable standard aluminum foil can often sell for $4 to $8 at major retailers, but Dollar Tree's $1.25 price only makes sense if the amount and thickness work for your needs. Before buying, check the roll lengths and compare it with what you normally use at home. If you're using foil for heavier cooking, grilling, or wrapping foods that require stronger material, a thicker option may be more practical. For shoppers who already have reliable foil at home, this is an easy one to pass on. If the foil feels too thin for your needs, skip it and save that $1.25 for a better fine blue light blocking reading glasses. The blue light blocking reading glasses may look like an easy bargain, especially if you spend a lot of time looking at screens. However, reading glasses are highly personal because the correct strength, fit, lens quality, and comfort matter more than the label on the package. Similar non-prescription reading glasses can often sell for $5 to $20 at major retailers. But the lowest price isn't necessarily the best value if the strength or fit isn't right. If you already know your preferred magnification and these match your needs, they may be worth considering. But if you're unsure about the correct strength or experience vision problems that aren't addressed by basic reading glasses, it's better not to choose a pair simply because they're inexpensive. If the strength or fit doesn't feel right, this is one Dollar Tree find I'd skip. High-performance athletic socks. The high-performance athletic socks may seem like an automatic bargain, but socks are one of those everyday products where comfort and durability matter. If the material feels too thin, the elastic doesn't hold well, or the sizing isn't comfortable, you may end up replacing them sooner than expected. Similar athletic socks can often sell for $5 to $12 at major retailers, but Dollar Tree's $1.25 price isn't necessarily a bargain if the quality doesn't meet your needs. Check the fabric blend, stitching, thickness, and size before purchasing. If you already have enough athletic socks at home, there's also little reason to buy more simply because they're inexpensive. For shoppers focused on getting the most value from their Dollar Tree trip, this is an easy product to leave behind if the quality doesn't impress you. If the fit or material doesn't feel right, skip these and save your $1.25.